Babe, you might have been going to get breakfast at 10:11. You were gone for an hour to get breakfast.
I went to get breakfast at 10:11. So what time did we get up here?
8:15.
Oh my God. Well, no wonder I'm tired. Well,
good morning.
We're rolling.
Yeah.
We've been up since like 7:30. We've had breakfast.
Correction. You've been up since 7:30.
Yeah.
I've been up since 5 o'clock.
The lighting's not very good in here.
Well, I think the lighting is great in here. It's really smoothing my skin out and, you know, makes the beard look nice.
I feel like I was in the bed and I saw my phone and it said 10:11.
No.
Is that not today?
Babe, you might have been going to get breakfast at 10:11. You were gone for an hour to get breakfast.
I went to get breakfast at 10:11. So what time did we get up here?
8:15.
Oh my God. Well, no wonder I'm tired.
I've been putting the top cap on the greenhouse and preparing the roof. I'm going to get the roof all framed out today, get the front door framed out. I don't know that we'll get the door built, but we'll at least have an idea of it by the end of the day.
And we're going to plant our onions this afternoon because we tried to plant them yesterday and it went terribly,
what happened?
Terribly
what
wrong.
happened? Tell us about it.
Terribly wrong.
So,
plastic and metal, it's not a strength issue.
Anyway, so we're using these plastic containers to start our onions in. We get it all, we get the gravel in the bottom, we get the holes drilled in it so it's nice and good. The leaves put in there so it'll hold some moisture. We search half our property and find the perfect soil to start our onions in and dig it up and put it in this thing. And then I'm picking up this 100-pound box or so. It's probably 100 pounds.
And I offered to help you. You said nope.
She couldn't get it off the ground the first time she tried to help.
I ran to open the tailgate and I came back and I said, oh, let me help you. You said, no, I got it.
I got it. So anyway, I went to swing it.
Picked it up. Right into the corner of the tailgate. Like, right, and I just watched it happen.
So we had to go buy another container last night.
Well, we're done with that. Come here. What you doing in the brush pile?
Yeah!
You got it? You done?
Yes, the hard part's done.
Thanks to my shoulder strength, right?
Part of our property.
So today has been spent doing stuff that's really not that fun, but super necessary. And oh my gosh, it looks so much better. All the wood that was hanging out in this area, I stacked it all up on the trailer and I've got it covered with a tarp, so that's protected now. We've also got a burn pile over there that we're going to work on later this afternoon. And then what Josh has been working on is leveling out everything out here. Because we had some ruts that were, God, 9-10 inches deep. I mean, pretty bad. And gosh, they look so much better. This is incredible, guys. I'm so excited. It's starting to look like a home again, you know. I just got a text from our realtor that we got an offer on our home. So it's awesome news because we've been working so hard here, and to know that all the hard work we did in Wilmington is about to pay off, and we're about to sell that home and it's about to really kick off here. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I don't even feel like I have the right words to say, and I don't even feel like I look presentable enough to to tell anybody, but I'm so happy and I'm so excited for what that means. And God, it's just so nice up here. It's such a beautiful day. We're so blessed to be here. I'm so thankful we get to do this. It is a nice sunny day in March in Tennessee, which is super weird because it was freezing this morning. It was like 19 degrees. But it sure is hot outside today, which is great because we've been outside, as you can see, plowing our field. Josh has been on the tractor. I've been on yard duty, so I've been making brush piles, trash piles, burn piles, all that stuff. And he's been leveling out the land. Sugar has been supervising, as always, of course. Never Sugar Bear. Are you the supervisor, Sugar Bear? I guess so. So what we're going to do tomorrow morning as the rain comes in, you guessed it, we're going to be seeding the pasture.
Did such a loud noise driving by. Who is that? Who is that? Go get him.
A 50-pound bag of Kentucky tall fescue and I don't know, maybe an hour's worth of work. I think I have the first pasture seeded. We are using a Kentucky rye fescue blend. I think it's 88% fescue and 11% rye blend, something along those lines. So we're really excited to see what it's going to do today. We are literally just waiting for the rain, anxiously awaiting the rain. I woke up this morning and it was starting to drizzle just a little bit, so I knew it was the perfect time to get out here and plant some seed. That's all that's on my schedule for the day, so I'm going to relax for a little while. I hear Josh up the hill. He's finishing up some things on the greenhouse. Obviously, when it starts to rain, he's going to come in. We're going to start a fire, and we're just going to wait for our grass to grow. So this whole road here has been seeded. This is no longer going to be a road. That's the goal. Oh, I hear Josh. He must be done. Perfect timing. The area that he dug out the other day, this is the ditch right in here. This is where we are hoping and praying the water's going to go. Grass seed all through here where we're walking. And then a culvert here. for the water. Tanner, come on. Never a dull moment around here, Tanner. Had to save your life, bud. All right, let's go inside, guys. You heard the man, it is lunchtime. Let's go get some well-deserved food and wait for the rain. Come on, guys. I would watch a video of just Bo ride through the country, honestly. It's the best. Watching him discover life. Gotta tell you, it feels really good to work your butt off all week and then to sit here and know that all your hard work is about to pay off because the rain's here. And it's Friday. It's the weekend. Happy weekend, everybody.